If you want to change DPI settings on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to open settings. Next, in settings, you should be able to find display settings in here, and then in the display settings, we can go to display size and text. And then here we can adjust the display size by just moving to the right or to the left side to make everything smaller or bigger, and this is how we can change DPI settings easily. But besides that, what you can also do is you can use the developer options to be more specific with the DPI setting and adjust its value. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to About Phone this time, and then in here in About Phone we want to go to device identifiers, and you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter the screenlock password. Once you do so, you should be able to see this message that you are now a developer. So now we're gonna go back to settings, and here we're gonna go to system settings. Now in system settings, we're gonna go to developer options, and then we need to find an option that is called smallest width. So let's try to find it, and there we go, here it is. Now this option determines how big everything is on our screen. The lower this value is, the bigger elements on the screen are going to be. There are some limits, so for example, if I set 300, I believe the limit is going to be 320. This is the lowest value that we can provide. There we go, that is the case, there we go. So as you can see, everything is actually slightly bigger compared to before that change. And on the other hand, if we provide a bigger value, then everything is going to be smaller. However, you want to be really careful with these numbers, because if you provide like a really high number, you might mess something up, and it might be very difficult to change these things back. So let's say I'm gonna type 600 in here, and there we go, everything is much smaller. There's also a taskbar now at the bottom due to the fact that now it fits actually, so there we go. And if you want to quickly revert to one of these original values, you can just go back to display settings, and then you should be able to just switch to any display size you want to actually use. So now if I go back to display size and text, if I set to, let's say, this one, then there we go, it reverts back to the standard size. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.